Let's dive right into the topic of organization. We all know that staying organized is key to managing our time and our business effectively. Today, I want to share some practical insight into how I keep things in order using various software and applications. Hopefully, these ideas will help you streamline your own work process so you can avoid wasting time on non-priority tasks and maintain a balanced focus on your work. First up, let's talk about calendars and email management, which are the bread and butter of staying organized. Whether you're using a paid service or a free one, the basics are pretty much the same. Paid services might offer some extra features, but for now, let's focus on the essentials. When it comes to calendars, I find it incredibly helpful to integrate tasks into my schedule. While my calendar is reserved for appointments and meetings, I rely on a task list to structure my day. Every morning, I fire up my laptop and check my email. I take a moment to go through the tasks I've set for the day. I prioritize these tasks and take a look at my inbox for anything urgent and tackle those first. This approach helps me make sure that the most important things get done efficiently. Now, some folks prefer time blocking. That's when you allocate specific time slots for different activities like emails, phone calls, and projects. But for me, I prefer a more flexible approach that allows me to switch between tasks as needed. You might want to try both methods to see which one suits your workflow. Moving on to email management, creating folders can be a game changer. Personally, I organize my emails into hierarchies of folders. Each client or project gets its own folder, and within those folders, I have subfolders to further categorize emails. This keeps my inbox nice and tidy, and I can easily find specific emails when I need them. Plus, many email platforms have rules and filters that can automatically sort emails into folders based on criteria like sender or subject. This automation makes the whole organization process a breeze and cuts down on time you spend manually sorting emails. Now let's shift gears and talk about scheduling tools, specifically schedulers like Calendar or Google's new scheduling tool. These gems allow clients or colleagues to book time with you without the back and forth email dance to find a suitable meeting time. The scheduler syncs with your calendars, blocking off unavailable times and preventing any double bookings. This way you can concentrate on your work, knowing that scheduling is taken care of automatically. For those managing larger groups of people, tools like Sign-Up Genius can be a real lifesaver. Whether you're coordinating volunteers, planning events, or assigning tasks, Sign-Up Genius streamlines the process. Participants can easily sign up for specific slots or tasks, which eliminates the need for endless email exchanges or phone calls. Now let's not forget about time tracking. This is especially important if you bill clients based on the hours you've worked. I personally use Harvest, a handy time tracking tool. It lets me stop and start timers for different tasks or projects, and at the end of each billing cycle, it spits out reports detailing the hours I've worked on each project. Even if you don't bill by the hour, tracking your time for a week can give you some valuable insight into how you're allocating your resources, helping you spot areas for improvement and time-saving opportunities. Finally, if you're involved in project management, consider using project management software. Don't be fooled into thinking these tools are only for massive, complex projects. They can be adapted to suit a range of needs. I find project management software incredibly useful for tracking tasks, setting deadlines, and collaborating with team members. It ensures that everyone is on the same page, eliminates the constant need for email updates, and makes communication a breeze. So in the end, effective organization is the key to making the most of your time and reaching your business goals. Whether you decide to implement these tools and strategies or explore other options, the critical thing is to find a system that fits your workflow and allows you to concentrate on what truly matters in your business. By optimizing your organization, you'll free up more time for you personally.